Hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install macOS Ventura on VirtualBox. For those who are unfamiliar, VirtualBox is a tool that allows you to run multiple operating systems on your host computer. Currently, I have Manjaro Linux and Windows XP running on my VirtualBox. So, in this video, we're going to be installing macOS Ventura. Now, the first thing we have to do is download and install VirtualBox. To do that, open your Chrome browser and search for VirtualBox. Click on the first page, which leads to virtualbox.org. Then, click on Downloads on the left side, and it should open up the Downloads page. You'll find VirtualBox for Windows, macOS, Linux, and other operating systems. Click on VirtualBox for Windows and let it download. If you already have VirtualBox installed, you can skip this step. After downloading, install it like any other software, PC. After downloading and installing VirtualBox, you also need to download the macOS Ventura ISO file. The link to this file will be provided in the video description. The file size is about 14.6 gigabytes, so make sure you use a stable internet connection. Now, after installing VirtualBox, open it, and let's create a new virtual machine. Click on New and name this machine macOS Ventura. Set the type to macOS X and the version to macOS X 64-bit. Set the base memory RAM to about 4.7 gigabytes, ensuring not to exceed 40% of your total RAM. I have 16 gigs of RAM on my PC, and I'm allocating about 4.7 gigs. For the processor, choose 3 processor cores. Set the hard disk size to about 60 gigabytes and then finish the setup. After creating the virtual machine, make a few adjustments in the settings. Click on Settings, go to System to adjust base memory and processor settings. Click on Display, increase video memory to 128 megabytes. Enable 3D acceleration and click on Storage. In the storage settings, click on the empty disk icon, then choose the optical disk file, ISO file, by right-clicking on the disk's icon. Locate your download folder and select the macOS Ventura ISO file. After adding the ISO file, change USB settings to enable USB 3.0 in the USB section. Head back to the General tab, copy your machine name, and click OK. Before starting the installation, let the macOS installer know it's an Apple-based PC. Use the provided code in the command prompt. These commands are in the video description. Replace VM name with your machine name and make sure to run the commands in command prompt as an administrator. Once executed successfully, start your machine and initiate the installation. Select the language for installation, continue, and erase your disks using the utility. Select your Mac OS Ventura disk. Erase it, and then proceed with the installation. The process may take about an hour, depending on your hardware. Be patient, and once completed, you can customize your macOS Ventura. Choose between light and dark modes, and you can always adjust these settings later. If you found this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.